Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Renault Clio Dynamique Nav. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 60 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of just 7, so ideal for new drivers. And this car has full service history, having covered just over 35,000 miles. This particular colour is the metallic titanium grey, and as you can see, looks in good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you see the interior is in great condition. The seat's got a nice hard wearing fabric there, nice and comfy too, being a Renault. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio, satellite navigation and Bluetooth. Below that you've got your controls for the air conditioning, and this car also has automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric mirror and front window controls. As we open the rear doors, which have the clever handle built into the door, you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. There's also a cup holder there in the centre, and it's good to see the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from Renault too. On the Clio, as we open the tailgate, you have a really good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot, underneath the car, you have also a spare wheel. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights and also the 16-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.